When I arrived in the meditation center and after I got settled in, me and the other newcomers had to wait till the evening for the opening ceremony. After that was done, each of us, separately, had a few moments to get an introduction to meditation by the Abbot of the monastery, the Venerable Ajahn Supahn. I don't remember much of my first encounter with him. Yet one thing struck me, and to this day I can still remember it like it was yesterday. I asked Ajahn Supahn a question about meditation. Will I learn to have more compassion for others? He paused for a second, he smiled and said, "You will learn to have compassion for yourself." I was almost shocked, in a good way. Although I had read so much about Buddhism up to this point, hearing those words was like a breath of fresh air. Finally, I could learn and accept being kind to myself. So guys, remember, whether in life or meditation, to never forget to be kind and gentle with yourself, your heart, and your mind.